attempt at the William A. Irvin Part 2. Let's see if we can get it on it this time. Propeller. And a train somewhere. There's the line. It is not meant to be, disappointed children. The reason they're saying, and they won't have any tourists until next Friday, so that'll be way beyond our time. But the reason they're saying is because of the lightning. Since the ship is made out of metal, it's one big lightning rod. They don't want people to be on the ship when lightning hits it. So I guess we'll try the trains. Maybe the trains will get struck by lightning too. It's a pretty intense thunderstorm coming in, actually. It's really a strong thunderstorm coming in. A boom! Pretty dramatic picture here with this thunderstorm. We're trying to make it to the train station, but we have to come downtown. We sought the cover of the skywalks because of this thunderstorm that's coming in. And train station is right ahead, but we're trying to keep ourselves dry and our stuff dry. And here we are under this awning, waiting for it to stop. Should stop pretty soon. Rain, rain, go away. And the stupid thing is we left our raincoats and umbrellas in the Navion. So we're gonna make a run for it? Yeah, we're gonna make a run for it. All right, let's go. It's raining. It's pouring. Let's see if there's any shelters over here.
I just tried. Good. Iron's wet. It looks like this way. What?
Made it all this way in the rain and fail. But the museum is free, so that's worth it, I guess. The museum. This is a really cool museum, and it's worth the cost of admission because they said it's a celebration of their reopening. I guess probably because of the situation. Trains. And this situation is probably the reason why we're having such a hard time getting tickets to anything. I don't know if I can fit through here. I'm too fat with this bag. Mine. It was this backpack I was wearing. That's it. That's it. That's the reason I couldn't fit in there. That's why. Wow. Oh yeah, it's a dining car. Lots of great exhibits on the iron ore mining operations around here. Inside the RPO car, Railway Post Office, where they would sort the mail and deliver it at the stations on the way. Oh no. In the caboose.
Help Saya. Go to the bathroom, Zach.
Oh great, let's talk about that now.
This is where they get the stuff.
Capable of developing over 6,000 horsepower, she made routine work of handling 180 to 190 car trains weighing more than 18,000 tons. And evaporated water.
Yep, the wheels are really moving. It's part of the display.
Oh shoot. That's scary.
Now the high wall signal.
And look inside the firebox here.
27 begins the last leg of her round trip.
Are you the engineer, Luke? Are you driving this thing? I think you're a little short. Your feet are not even touching the pedals.
Wheel set number
What?
1.
It has pedals?
No, it doesn't.
Drive wheel set number 2 on.
Uh-oh, this one's on!
Yep.
Number 227 was one of 18 Yellowstone.
Photo, Miss Solution, while working on the train. Miss Saya working on the train. Uh-oh, the doctor they are. Woo, 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 woo.
There's one of my favorites, GP30. There's just way too much in here to put in one video, so you just have to see it for yourself. One last look at the depot before we go.
Do not eat, do not touch.
Downtown Duluth. Another view of the bridge.
Oh, what is this?
And there's the harbor.